Hello friends, welcome back to our channel ROYS-TheWanderers. So today I am preparing one pot meal honey garlic chicken with egg vegetable noodles. I have taken 500 grams of chicken. Next I am adding salt in it and then crushed garlic. Now let's mix this properly. I will keep this for 30 minutes. To prepare honey garlic chicken, I have taken soya sauce, ajinomoto, honey, white oil and crushed garlic. Next I will add oil, and then marinated chicken. I'll spread the chicken now and allow it to cook. So the chicken has become tender now. Now I will add the remaining crushed garlic in it and fry it nicely. Next I will add ajinomoto. Next, vinegar. Then soya sauce. And the last but not the least, honey. Then I will mix it nicely. Next I will add little bit arrowroot in it. In case you see lot of water coming out of the chicken, you can add little bit arrowroot and adjust the amount of the water. Now you can see that the chicken has become dry now. So the chicken is ready. To prepare noodles, I have taken vinegar, white oil, chilli sauce, ajinomoto and salt. And this is boiled noodles. And in vegetables, I have taken carrots, onion, capsicum and eggs. Next I will add oil in it and then I will add the onions. Next I will add carrots. Then I will add ajinomoto. And next I am adding vinegar. After this I am adding chilli sauce. Then I will add the beaten eggs. After that, I will stir it nicely. And I will mix the vegetables and eggs properly. Then I will add the capsicums. And at last I will add the noodles. Then I will mix it nicely. At last I will add salt. Yay! My honey garlic chicken with egg vegetables noodles is ready to be served.